Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add an arrow in Capcut. Let's begin. Adding an arrow in Capcut is a simple process which is perfect for pointing out important details in a video, like a specific object, feature, or action, because this will help and direct the viewer's attention to what's most important. Also, arrows are useful for guiding your audience through a tutorial like this one, step-by-step process, or even when you want to emphasize a particular section in a video. So open the Capcut app and hover to the homepage, wherein you can start and begin your work if you click the new project. But if you have already an existing project in place, just click on it so you can edit. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this. So I have like 4 elements placed together. It is part of our tutorials on how to create a great video that you might want to check. All right, so there are a couple of ways for you to create an arrow. One of the quickest option is going to be, now hover to where it says stickers. If you can find it here, let's look for the stickers just at the bottom, and then search for stickers. And obviously what we're going to look at is arrow. Select this one and click on search. Then finally, you can search for many of the following. So we're going to choose this one instead. All right, and then we're going to place it around here. Of course, you can drag it to resized depending on your preferences. We're going to add one more. For example, this. I'm gonna place it around here, so and so. And then we're going to add this arrow right here. We're gonna be selecting maybe this. Drag it here. Place it accordingly to your preferences. Let's look for arrow. And then the last is gonna be this one. We're gonna place it here. And then click check. So we have successfully added an arrow. So that's one way. Another option is going to be adding text manually. All right, so enter text. So I'm gonna make sure the text is different. The text here, type in underscore, you see that? And then place an arrowhead. Now, as you can see, this is going to be the arrow. You see this? That's going to be the arrowhead. So these are going to be 2 ways for you to create arrows here in Capcut. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.